Hey guys, it's Kate with WTI, and I have to show you these beautiful lights from JHY Designs. Aren't they stunning? So this comes in a set of two. These are battery operated LED lights. They come in this really pretty metal cage. It's a bronzy color. I just think it's so classy, extremely lightweight, and you can take them anywhere. So I love these for setting the mood when you have friends. Bring this outdoors, put it on your patio, parties, weddings. There's so many options for these. Even just to have the vibe of a candlelight dinner, you can put this right on your table and it gives a beautiful soft lighting. I also love the shadows this casts. So you can see that it is that cage design. So it casts this beautiful shadow on the ceilings and on the walls. Really, really pretty. They run on 3 AAA batteries. Very easy. You just pop out the bottom, put in your batteries, and you're ready to go. The switch is also on the bottom, and then you can use them however you wish. But a really stylish way to decorate. Lighting is always such an important step to decorating a space. So I absolutely recommend these ones. I think you're going to be so pleased with them, and that's my point of view.